Hello and welcome to Flotats. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to make these wavy shapes or smoky shapes, whatever you call it, inside of After Effects. So before we start the tutorial, I'm trying to focus on YouTube tutorials more often. So if you want to download this project files, you can download it from the link in the description. And if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below and let's get started. So to make these wavy shapes, just create a shape like a rectangle. Then let's hide the other one. Let's scale this a little bit down. Put the anchor point on the right and put the shape layer to the side of the comp. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Wave Warp. Apply that effect to your shape layer. Then you will have this effect. Try to play with the settings. Let's go with the 13 for the wave height and 250 for the wave width. Now let's change the direction of the wave to -90. So we have the wave coming from the side to the... Then select the pin into all edges. Now you will have this effect. Now all you have to do is to convert your shape or path to a Bézier path. Then select your points and drag them to the down, like this. Now you have this wavy shape. To have the effect on the top, same as on the bottom, just apply an effect called mirror and change the reflection angle to 90. There you have it. You will have this. The same effect that happening on the top will happen in the bottom. And all you have to do then to pre-comp that effect and put it in your animation, just like I did here. All I did is just duplicating the same wave multiple times, as you can see, to have the entire scene. For this one, I just applied a stroke instead of fill. So I have this. It's pretty easy, and after some grain texturing, you will have this scene. If you want to learn how to make these textures, look for my Instagram. I have a post on how to make this green texturing inside of After Effects. It's a small tip in After Effects. So that's it for this tutorial. See you next time, guys. Bye.